I got a detention.
I got a detention too.
We got a detention.
Yeah, I got in trouble.
My whole class got in trouble.
Yeah, none of us teachers knew how to control the kids. It was chaos.
I do wonder what all of these rumours are about going on at Milford Junior.
You're so naughty.
You were worse.
Cut it out, you two. We're all naughty at the end of the day.
The students, they were just out of control.
I was so naughty. I painted my teacher's desk blue.
It was like every kid was out to get us.
The yelling, screaming.
The kids were going mental there. It was absolutely chaotic.
Food fights.
Wee-wees in the classroom.
It was wild.
The funny thing was, though,
We were calling our teachers bad names. Ripping holes in carpet. Smashing the walls. Madness.
The strange thing was,
Yeah, the weirdest thing happened.
You see, all along,
the reason for the madness and the horror, well, in the end, we found out